Hello, this lesson plan is intended for the first grade and it incorporates content standards that stem from kindergarten all the way up into the second grade. Number sense through decomposition and grouping and pairing, as well as the operational understanding of the equal sign and its representation, are going to be the learning objectives for this lesson. The differentiation of our lesson concludes throughout the entirety of our lesson. However, more specifically, the math investigation station occurs following our main introduction and activity. So the main introduction and activity in itself consists of addition and subtraction stations. So these stations are group specific. So that would be one differentiation approach that we are taking to reach our varied students. The math investigation station that occurs after these tailored specific addition and subtraction stations are for students who have extra time and fall within the gifted and talented spectrum of students. However, all students have access to this investigation station. So on the screen, you're going to see 9 activities that tailor to the specifics of what an investigation station is. The first one integrates math and science. Students will be able to test and hypothesize using different measuring instruments to measure grains of rice that will help extend their understanding of the equal sign and addition and subtraction as well. There's going to be a problem-solving station where students can use popsicle sticks to build a picture frame of equal dimension to their school photo. The next is going to be writing about mathematics. So students can write a reflection on the assignment that they just participated in, and it's a way for us to understand what worked for them and what didn't, and they can further their own understanding by explaining why. The mathematics game is also an activity listed in the investigation station, so students can have the opportunity to go online and choose from different math games through KPBS, which is very kid-friendly, and they can just kind of make it their own, but continue on with their understanding of addition, subtraction, and overall the operational equal sign. The data project, students will determine which vessel of travel, whether that be a boat, a car, a train, a plane, would be most efficient when they compare chart information of data. They're going to do a logic problem. This is the first grade, so we're going to keep it first grade friendly. They'll just need to discover which materials work best to even out the scales that are in front of them. Mathematics and social studies. So Lewis and Clark destinations will be given to them, and they'll just determine which was the best path that Sacagawea led Lewis and Clark on. A building project. Students can have a little fun here and determine the amount of water that's going to be necessary to dunk me. Literature and mathematics is the last activity in our investigation station. They're going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar, and they'll get to create their own menu for the caterpillar so that they can have a balanced diet. Again, that'll tie in the need for equal addition and subtraction understanding.